Convincing a patient doesn't start at consultation room. Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be discussing about convincing a patient. Convincing a patient is one of the important factor, or it plays a key role in our dental practices. And it doesn't start at consultation room. Rather, it starts from the moment he has entered into our practice. So there are various ways by which we can influence or start convincing from the moment he has entered into our practice. And in today's video, I will be sharing one of those ways by which we can start convincing them from the reception or the waiting area itself. Let's discuss about that today. The one method which I'm going to discuss today is with the help of patient education. Yes, you heard me right. Patient education can play a key role in convincing a patient before even the consultation starts. But the convincing power of the patient education material depends on the theme which we have for patient education. Now, let me explain this further. Now, just close your eyes for some time and imagine your clinic. Imagine the patient entered into your practice. He went into the reception area, had a chat with the receptionist. What does he see around him? Does he have some posters over in the reception area, on the walls or somewhere? And after that, when he's going and sitting in the waiting area, what does he see around himself? Are there some videos playing on the TV screen? Are there some posters which are there? But whenever you are selecting those posters, have you put some thought process over it, or you have just randomly selected some good posters which you found on some shop, dental conferences somewhere, and then pasted it on your partition or the wall? Is it like that? Or have you seriously thought about it and selected according to the maybe treatment or something else? Have you done that? Have you ever thought what the patient feels after watching those videos on the screen or seeing those posters? What do they actually feel? Because these are the things which they watch or see or hear before entering into the consultation room. And these play a key role in it. Patient education is a very vast topic, and we can broadly classify it into three different groups. One is educating them about oral hygiene methods and importance. Second, it's educating them about different dental treatments which are available. And third group is educating them about systemic effects of oral health. These are broadly the three top groups where the patient education can be classified into. Now, always remember one thing. Whenever you are selecting any poster or any video for your waiting area or your reception area, select according to a theme. Now, let me explain this with the help of an example. Let's imagine you are an implantologist and a patient is sitting in your waiting room, and all around him he has posters about implants. You answer all the questions like what are implants, who requires an implant, what are the benefits of implant, any myths about implant. Everything regarding the implant is either posted on the wall or some videos are running on the TV. Everywhere, wherever the patient sees, it's all about implant. Some standees are there, anything. Whatever patient material, patient education material you are choosing, it's all about implant. So when the patient, imagine the patient who is sitting there in a clinic, in your clinic, and he's watching all these things. He's watching the video which is running there on the TV. He's seeing all the posters around him. He is maybe seeing before after pics of your cases, implant cases. Then subconsciously, he will start connecting your clinic with an implant. And whenever something implant comes in his mind, he will usually connect it with the experiences with the posters or with the videos which he saw in your clinic. Now, imagine this patient is sitting in your waiting area. He's watching all these things. He's understanding, trying to understand maybe. After that, he approached for the consultation room. And in the consultation room, you are convincing him about implants and you're explaining everything about it. Now, this is the second time he's hearing the same thing. He's hearing about the implants, he's hearing different type of implants, everything. He's hearing it for the second time. And that, do you feel that the patient will understand whatever we are telling him better? Will he have a better understanding of implant? Will it help him to make a decision? Will it help him to ask relevant questions regarding his treatment or regarding implants? Because he has been hearing about it from the moment he has entered into practice. Everywhere it's about implants. And when he has entered into the consultation room, you are also explaining about implants. So it helps you convince the patient better because already he has started thinking about the treatment. It's not something new which you are recommending. Imagine, let's take another example. Imagine you are an endodontist. Then everywhere you can put about root canals. What are the difference between one sitting and multiple sitting root canals? What are different types and what are the common questions which the patient will ask about that topic because you are an expert in that area. So you know what exactly are the pain points of the patient and you can answer those questions before even the consultation starts. They are afraid about the pain maybe during the root canal. So you can explain them with a poster or with a video or some, and the cases also you can explain with the help of before after pics, any animated video if you have. These all things will help them understand the treatment better, understand the whole procedure better, and it will help us convince them easily. Take another example, like a cosmetic dentist. Then you will have smile designing topic everywhere in your clinic, the reception area, the waiting area, everywhere. If you want to choose some other topic, maybe ortho, you're an orthodontist and you want to be known for that, then everywhere it will be about ortho. Whatever topic or whatever that one treatment is there which you want to be known for, project that in your clinic, in all the posters, in all the videos, in the reception area, everywhere. So that the moment the patient has entered into your practice, he will start thinking about that particular treatment. So whenever next time you're going to select any poster or any video on patient education or anything else, always think about what theme you want to have in your clinic. Is it related to implants? Is it related to something else? What is it related to? And always select one that will be better so that you can project yourself as an expert in that area. I hope you liked today's video and you will remember it whenever next time you are going to select any patient education material. Thank you so much. Kindly like, share, and subscribe us and send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our broadcast list and you will be the first person to receive any content which we are releasing online on WhatsApp. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.